हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको हमारे वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन प्रेस करें। तो आज हम देख रहे हैं ड्रग एक्टिंग ऑन ऑटोनॉमिक नर्वस सिस्टम। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है अपना, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गन्स इज इनर्वेटेड ओनली बाई पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्व्स? देन right answer is ciliary muscle. Next question is, the sympathetic and parasympathetic systems exert functionally opposite influences on the following parameters, except the right answer is B, atrial refractory period. Next question is, tetrodotoxin blocks nerve impulse junctional transmission by. The right answer is C, blocking sodium ion channels. The next question is, the co-transmitter may serve the following function or functions. The right answer is all of the above. इसमें A, B, C तीनों ऐड हो जाएंगे. The next question is, the following co-transmitter is most probably involved in mediating non-adrenergic, non-cholinergic relaxation of the gut. The right answer is C, nitric oxide. Next question is, the major post-junctional cholinergic receptor is of the muscarinic type at the following site. The right answer is A, post-ganglionic parasympathetic. The next question is, pseudocholinesterase differs from true cholinesterase in that. The right answer is B, it hydrolyzes acetylcholine at a slower rate. The next question is, the choline ester resistant to both true and pseudocholinesterase is. The right answer is B, vithanicol. The next question is, muscarinic cholinergic receptors. The right answer is are present on vascular endothelium which has no cholinergic nerve supply. C. The next question is, the cardiac muscarinic receptors. The right answer is B, are of M2 subtypes. The next question is, cholinergic muscarinic receptor stimulation produces the following effects except. The right answer is B, rise in blood pressure. The next question is, the smooth muscle structure that is relaxed by cholinergic drugs is. The right answer is D, bladder trigon. The next question is, which of the following secretions is not stimulated by acetylcholine? The right answer is B, bile. The next question, acetylcholine has no therapeutic application because. The right answer is D, both B and C are correct. The next question is, pilocarpine is used for. The right answer is A, glaucoma. The next question is, actions of pilocarpine include the following except. The right answer is D, cycloplegia. The next question is, the following inhibitor binds only to the anionic site of cholinesterase enzyme. The right answer is C, adrophonium. The next question is, the reactivation of cholinesterase enzyme occurs on hydrolysis of the inhibitor by the same enzyme molecule in case of the following anticholinesterase? The right answer is B. Neostigmine. The next question is the anticholinesterase action of edrophonium is short lasting because termination of its action depends on. The right answer is A. Dissociation and diffusion of the drug from the enzyme. The next question is the organophosphates produces irreversible inhibition of the cholinesterase because. The right answer is B. Regeneration time of the phosphorylated enzyme is longer than the turnover time of the enzyme molecules. The next question is out of two anticholinesterase drug X is a tertiary amine while drug Y is quaternary ammonium compound. Then the right answer is B. Drug X will be more suitable to be used as a meiotic. The next question is neostigmine is preferred over physostigmine for treating myasthenia gravis because. The right answer is C. It has additional direct agonistic action on nicotinic receptor at the muscle end plate. The next question is the mechanism by which neostigmine improves contraction of myasthenic muscle involves. The right answer is D. All of the above. The next question is pyridostigmine differs from neostigmine in that. The right answer is B. It is longer acting. The next question is edrophonium is more suitable for differentiating myasthenic crisis from cholinergic crisis because of its. The right answer is A. Shorter duration of action. The next question is which of the following is a relatively cerebroselective anticholinesterase found to afford symptomatic improvement in Alzheimer's disease? The right answer is A. Donepezil. The next question pilocarpine reduces intraocular tension in open angle glaucoma by. The right answer is B. Increasing tone of ciliary muscle. The next question is the site of action of myotics for therapeutic effect in angle closure glaucoma is. The right answer is D. Sphincter pupillae muscle. The next question is currently the first choice drug for open angle glaucoma is. The right answer is D. Ocular beta adrenergic blockers. The next question is Timolol eye drops are preferred over pilocarpine eye drops by glaucoma patients because. The right answer is C. Timolol produces less ocular side effect. The next question is beta adrenergic blockers lower intraocular tension by. The right answer is A. Down-regulating adenylyl cyclase in ciliary body through reduced activation of beta-2 adrenoreceptors. The next question is agonistic action on which of the following adrenergic receptors located on ciliary epithelial cells reduces aqueous secretion? The right answer is D. Alpha-2 receptor. The next question is to be used as a topically applied ocular beta blocker, a drug should have the following properties except. The right answer is A. Strong local anesthetic activity. The next question is betaxolol differs from timolol in that it. The right answer is A. is a beta 1 selective blocker. The next question is select the longer acting ocular beta blocker. The right answer is D. Levobunolol. The next question is the following is an alpha 2 adrenergic agonist used as eye drops to lower intraocular pressure. The right answer is A. Brinzolamide. The next question is which of the following is a prodrug of adrenaline used topically in glaucoma? The right answer is B. Dipephrine. The next question is apraclonidine is a clonidine congener which is used. The right answer D. To reduce intraocular tension. The next question is dorzolamide is a. The right answer is A. Topically applied ocular carbonic anhydrase inhibitor. The right answer is A. Next question. Choose the correct statement about latanoprast. The right answer is A. It is a PGF2 alpha derivative used in glaucoma. The next question. Select the diuretic that is most effective in acute congestive glaucoma. The right answer is C. Mannitol. The next question is neostigmine is beneficial in cobra envenomation because. The right answer is D. It antagonizes the paralyzing action of cobra toxin. The next question is a suspected case of poisoning has been brought to the casualty with weakness, fainting, involuntary passage of urine and stools, profuse sweating, salivation, watering from nose and eyes. His pulse is 120 per minute, low volume, BP 19/60 mmHg, respiration shallow, pupil constricted, muscles flabby with occasional fasciculations, which is the most likely type of poisoning. The right answer is C. Anticholinergic. Next question. Which is the most important drug in the treatment of organophosphate poisoning? The right answer is A. Atropine sulfate. The next question is atropine does not antagonize the following feature of anticholinergic poisoning. The right answer is C. Muscle paralysis. The next question. Pralidoxime can reactivate cholinesterase enzyme that has been inactivated by. The right answer is B. Organophosphate anticholinesterase. The next question. थैंक। अब अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो सब्सक्राइब, बेल आइकन प्रेस एंड गिव योर वैल्यूबल कमेंट।